How to enable language translation option on Facebook post. So if you want to enable language translation option on your Facebook post, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And now scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now under settings, here you need to just scroll down and you will find an option of translation for post, or you can just simply go with the search, or you can just simply scroll down and under preferences, you will have language and region, tap on it. And under language and region, here you'll have language you'd like to have post translated to. And in my case, I've selected English. You can go and select any language that you're comfortable with. Once you've selected the language, you can go with save. And after saving, if there's a post with any other language, then you'll have see translation option and it will be translated to English. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.